Hello, here is Jingyu. After a period of studying the methods of scientific research, I have more understanding and idea on how to plan a project. Area I choose this time is social psychology. The keywords of this research are social comparison, body dissatisfaction, and social media. According to the title, the influence of social media drives people to compare their body image with others. People are surrounded by an image that emphasizes slimness in women and muscularity in men. Past research has found that women who engage in comparisons through social media sites experience more satisfaction with their appearance and body image. However, recent studies have found that this dissatisfaction is not just limited to women. Men also experience dissatisfactions with their bodies through social media sites due to comparison. First, I will analyze the social background in the people's aesthetic level improved. At the same time, many boys and girls are beginning to notice the importance of image management. While people with perfect bodies are sharing their photos on the internet and making other people anxious about their bodies, it is always a question to explore whether the anxiety is caused by being on social networks. Many people choose that adults as the standard of study when exploring this issue, but in fact, the first time people preserve body anxiety actually starts from adolescence. It initially starts with body insecurity, which develops into body anxiety on the role of adolescence anxiety. Of course, not only women but also men will also begin to think about whether their body is well proportioned and whether their muscle lines are smooth. I still think it is important to consider whether the subject is a perfectionist. I don't think a perfectionist's anxiety can be attributed to the factor that cause of social networking the heart's body image anxiety. On this research topic, Mills and Hawkes has conducted a study among female college students. The result of the experiment was that the experiment resulted in all girls showing dissatisfaction with their body. This led to the inference that interacting with attractive peers on social media increased negative body image. However, there are still many unexcluded factors in this experiment, and the participants only complete a questionnaire at the end of the experiment. Then the results cannot be used as a reference. Otherwise, this will affect the final results of the experiment. Of course, social networks are sure to give people confidence. It doesn't necessarily only the user to produce body anxiety. Regarding the literature gave in former study, I think the most important things to address is eliminated of the psychological factors of the subjects themselves. Through research, we can understand how to use social media and get young people to assess themselves properly. Let me introduce the aim. The study will aim to examine the effects of appearance comparison on social media will be related to body dissatisfaction in people. My hypothesis is that the group of experimenters who viewed the photos in Instagram and Facebook would exercise for weight loss after the experiment. So that's all, and the word count is 537. In the bottom right corner is the literature and the websites which I use in the creation of the poster.